Welcome back. In this video clip, I'm going to show you guys how to compare the difference between two models. In this exercise, we're going to use the other file, which is the structural model version 2. I already opened up the version 2 model in Revit. So obviously you can see the difference between those two models. One model has the stairs, and you can see in the other model it also has the vertical bracing, but also the roof on top of the structure. Knowing the difference between two models is very important because in design, oftentimes people can make change orders. So we would like to analyze how the change orders can impact the cost of a project, for instance. Now let's get started. In order to compare the model difference, we have to publish the second model to the assemble system as well. So the process of publishing the second model is very similar to the first one, but we just need to make sure we know the corresponding version. Alright, now let's get started. Here you can see the previous versions of version 1, and we are going to name this version as version 2. Now the model has been published. Click Vim Project. And this is the structure model. Let's go to model tree. Now you can see this version has got published, and if we would like to switch to a different version, we can always choose between those two. Say OK. Now this is the first version, and if we would like to compare the version 2 with the first one, we can say show changes. Structure model A and the model B. So version 2 is compared to version 1. And here are the color codes for the variances. So this color means this in version 2 that is added. And in the other color, you can read off those legends right over here. So you can see obviously quite a few of those components have been added, like the bracing, the stairs, and also the roof. For example, if we really want to know how the quantity has changed between those two models, model A and model B, we can just export this quantity to Microsoft Excel, and we can uncheck the include instance and export. So this is the updated Excel spreadsheet, which is the structure model version 2 versus version 1. And you can see for both cases, those added elements or the quantities have changed. They are all shown in this table. Model A and model B, you can see exactly the variance between those two quantities. By using this approach, you can know exactly how the change orders have impacted your estimates. Alright, that's it for this video, and this also concludes the entire video series for 5D